Hi designers, so in this video I'll show you how to cut this beautiful overbust corset that you've been seeing all over the internet. Let's go. Input your shoulder measurement divided by 2, draw a line downward from the point you got, and then I go down by 1.5 and I will mark the neck point, connect from neck point to the shoulder, and there I draw the neckline and draw the armhole. I use the nipple to nipple measurement, which is nipple to nipple divided by 2, which is 3.5. I use it to draw a straight line from bust point to under bust, and I did under bust tightening using 0.75 on both sides. So I'm going to draw a line from the under bust to the corset M. So note the way I slant the ruler to place it. So I go in by 0.25 here at the side of the dart, and I'm going to curve it inward like so on both sides, like you are seeing me do here. On the waistline, I input waist circumference divided by 4, excluding the dart. Please note the way I'm moving it away to exclude the darts. And then on the chest line, I also input bust circumference divided by 4, and I'm connecting the side. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the hip. I will input the hip measurement divided by 4 here, and I will exclude the dart. Please put back whatever you take for the dart that is there, and I'm shaping the side. So here I'm simply that here, and I'll use 1.25 for the bust dart. So after drawing the bust dart, I go up by 2.5 from the bust line, and I'll tighten the upper bust using 0.5 inches on both sides. Please, if you have not followed Insta by Do already, please follow us. We post tutorials, sewing tutorials, pattern drafting. So if that's what you're interested in, please follow us. Then here I close the bust dart. Divide what you have at this side of the waist into 2 and do 0.25 for the dart here. And so this is what we have. Here I'll close the upper bust dart so I can draw the neckline. You can make the neckline as high as you want it to be. So I'm just drawing it the way I want, curvy. I go in by 0.5 at the armhole and reshape it. That one is not compulsory, I just did it. And this is what we have. The corset is already coming together. Here I'm just shaping the lower part of the corset exactly the way I want it to look like. So I'm just shaping it here, and this is the front. So we'll move on to the back. So for the back, I input my waist measurement divided by 4. I will later add 1 extra inches that we'll use for that. So here I'm just inputting the necessary measurements, and on the hip I input hip divided by 4. So yeah, I will just take that. I will add that 1 extra inch I told you about. That will take in for that. And yeah, I'm just shaping the side as I want it to. Yeah, I just want to like do the back lacing part. After doing that part, I will divide what we have here into 3 at the waistline. You can divide it into 2, but yeah, I just use 3 because I want to make the back piece 3. So I'm going to draw a straight line going up and down from the division I did, and I took in 0.5 inch on both sides for the dart that we want to add for the back. So here I draw the neckline for the back, and I'm also shaping the hem of the back like I did for the front as well. So this is the pattern complete.